In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Game Guardian on BlueStacks. First, we need to install BlueStacks on your PC. BlueStacks is an Android emulator that allows you to run Android applications on your computer. To begin this process, visit the official BlueStacks website. There, you will find the download button prominently displayed. Click on it to download the installer. Once the download completes, locate the installer in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installer file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. This step is essential because having BlueStacks set up creates a stable environment for running Android apps and tools like Game Guardian. Once BlueStacks is installed, the next step is to create an Android instance that supports the features you need. Launch BlueStacks, and you will see the home screen. Click on the Multi-Instance Manager icon, which usually appears on the right side of the toolbar. Here, you can create a new instance. Choose the configuration that suits your needs. If you plan to use advanced tools, it is advisable to select a rooted instance. This setup is crucial because many functionalities of Game Guardian depend on having root access to modify the game memory effectively. Now that your instance is ready, the next step is to download the appropriate Game Guardian APK from its official source. Open your web browser and type in the official Game Guardian website. Look for the download section and select the latest version of the APK file. Once you click on the download link, the APK will start to download. It is important to download from the official source to ensure that you get a safe and legitimate version of the app. This helps protect your device from any malicious software that could harm your system. After you've downloaded the Game Guardian APK, it's time to install it in BlueStacks. To do this, simply drag the APK file into the BlueStacks emulator window. You can also use the Install APK option, which you can find in the sidebar. Clicking this will open a file explorer, and you can navigate to where the APK is saved. Select it and click Open. This action installs Game Guardian into your BlueStacks environment, allowing you to access its features. It's a straightforward process that ensures you're set up to start using Game Guardian effectively. With Game Guardian installed, the next step is to launch it and grant any required permissions if your emulator supports them. Find the Game Guardian icon on the BlueStacks home screen and click to open it. Upon launch, the app may request certain permissions to function properly. These permissions are essential for Game Guardian to modify game behavior. Follow the prompts to grant these permissions. Completing this step successfully will ensure that the app can operate without any restrictions. Next up, you'll need to open the Android app you want to inspect or test. This can be any game or application you wish to modify. Simply find the app within BlueStacks and click to open it. Once the app is running, you will see how Game Guardian interfaces with it. This is an important step because it allows you to begin using the features of Game Guardian, like memory editing. Remember, this process gives you powerful tools, so use them responsibly and ethically. Note that Game Guardian's advanced features such as memory editing typically require root access or a compatible virtual environment. Also keep in mind that BlueStacks has historically blocked some Game Guardian installer packages, so compatibility may vary by version. Always ensure you are using the latest version of both BlueStacks and Game Guardian to improve your experience. In summary, you have now learned how to set up and use Game Guardian on BlueStacks. Following these steps will enable you to explore various functionalities that can enhance your gaming experience. I hope this video has been helpful and you feel more confident in using these tools. Thank you for watching.